You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Now I walk out of the studio and stand on our test. Hello everyone, this is Yao from Magicycle. Welcome to a new episode of Magicycle How-To and Tips. In the next few episodes, we'll be testing our 4 hot sale e-bikes, Magicycle Cruiser, Magicycle Ocelot, Jack Rundy, and Deer. In this video, we'll conduct an acceleration test on our Cruiser Pro. We all know that 28 miles per hour is the max speed limit on our Cruiser Pro, but how powerful can it be? So in this video, we will count the time from the start line to the 100 meters finish line. Hope this will give you a better understanding of our Cruiser Pro. Without further ado, let's start. Hey, hold on! Before we start, and if you're still watching, congratulations! Now there's a giveaway activity delivering our thanks to all the fans who always support us. Just subscribe and leave a comment, and 3 luck winners will be chosen in the comment. We will announce the winners in the next episode. Good luck, everyone! Our test e-bike today is our Magicycle Cruiser Pro, which has been acknowledged by our Magicycle members since it is released. So why? Why is it so impressed by our Magicycle riders? We will test it right now. Alright everyone, now I walk out of the studio and stand on our test street. As you can see, we have put 5 battery signs every 10 meters. So this is a test day, a 15 meters stand start test. And let's see how long should we take to pass all of this. So now we get to the finish line and start the test. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Well, not bad, not bad. So as you can see, the time is 7:90, and as you can see, this is very fast, and with 5750 watt motor, Magicycle can do this. Now we have adjusted the bearing signs, and every 5 meters we have put 1 bearing sign, and totally 10 meters. So now let's test the tactile hydraulic brakes on our Magicycle Cruiser Pro. Let's see what's the brake distance of it. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Now we have finished all the braking tests, and as you can see, if you ride your Magicycle Cruiser to the top speed or the maximum speed, then you pull the brake lever hard, the braking distance could be 3 to 5 meters dependently, and that is tactile hydraulic brakes, very strong stopping power. Now here we come to the next test, and some of our friends might know that when they come to this road, and yes, this is uphill challenge or the hill climbing ability. I have turned on this application to test the degree of this road, I mean the slope of this road, and let's see what's the degree of it. 15 degree. So actually Magicycle Cruiser Pro is paired with 750 watt and 96 Nm motor. I believe, or I trust that, I know that Magicycle Cruiser can handle this, but what's the choice? Let's test it and let's see it. we just finished our hill climbing ability test, and without no doubt, Magicycle Cruise Pro could handle this slope or uphill. And now let's go back to our live studio. Do you think the power system of Magicycle Cruise Pro is strong enough? What's your idea? Leave your comment with us and don't forget to subscribe us. We will choose 3 lucky winners to get 1 smart helmet and a bike pump. Also, you can click the purchase button to enjoy your riding time with your own Magicycle Cruise Pro. Buy it now with a note saying that you are from channel. We will also send you these gifts. This is Yao. I will see you in the next episode.